The periodic table is a universally accepted way to organize elements. Let's examine how the periodic table is organized so you can use it effectively. The rows are known as periods, and there are a total of 7. The 2 rows that are typically placed below the main body of the periodic table are cutouts from the 6th and 7th period. The reason they are cut out is for space, since a length of 32 blocks becomes difficult to adequately display on a standard sheet of paper. The columns are known as groups or families. There are a total of 18 columns, and they are all labeled by numbers as well as numbers and letters. There remains controversy over which labeling system to use, so most periodic tables contain both. Some of the columns have common names. The periodic table in your textbook is color-coded to distinguish between metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Metals are coded blue and are on the left-hand side. Nonmetals are coded yellow and are on the right-hand side of the periodic table, with the exception of hydrogen, which is on the left-hand side. The metalloids are color-coded green and occupy a staircase that separates the metals from the nonmetals. The 7th period contains several gray blocks, which means scientists have yet to discover the classification of these elements. These elements are synthesized in laboratories under extreme conditions, and only small amounts have been made. These elements are very unstable and decompose quickly. You will be expected to know the common names of several families. Excluding hydrogen, the first column, 1A, is known as the alkali metals. Hydrogen is not a metal, and it is not a member of this family, even though it's in the same column. The second column, 2A, is known as the alkaline earth metals. On the other side of the periodic table, family 7A is known as the halogens, and family 8A is known as the noble gases. The first 2 columns and the last 6 columns are collectively known as main group elements. The middle part of the periodic table, from groups 3B to 2B, is known as the transition metals. Below the main body of the periodic table, the top row is known as the lanthanides, and the bottom row is known as the actinides. Remember, these are part of the 6th and 7th period, respectively. So let's take a minute to review these concepts. 1. Give the symbol of a metalloid in the 4th period. 2. Give the symbol of a main group metal. 3. Give the symbol of a transition metal. And 4. Give the symbol of a noble gas. Pause the video to answer these questions. Let's see how you did. In the 4th period, there are 2 metalloids according to the color coding of your periodic table. Germanium, symbol capital G lowercase e, and arsenic, symbol capital A lowercase s. Either answer is correct. There are approximately 12.5 main group metals. Any symbol from the alkali metal or alkaline earth metal family is correct. Also, aluminum, symbol capital A lowercase l, gallium, symbol capital G lowercase a, indium, symbol capital I lowercase n, thallium, symbol capital T lowercase l, tin, symbol capital S lowercase n, lead, capital P lowercase b, and bismuth, capital B lowercase I. For the symbol of a transition metal, any symbol between the families of 3B and 2B is correct. For noble gases, which is the last column, helium, capital H lowercase e, neon, capital N lowercase e, argon, capital A lowercase r, krypton, capital K lowercase r, xenon, capital Z lowercase e, or radon, capital R lowercase n.